Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Not a project today, as the title says, Happy Mail and racks, or random acts of kindness. So a few things I've bought and a few things have been sent. Let's take a look, shall we? First thing, I've went a bit mad to 5 lots of card sleeves. I use these for my ATCs. They're the perfect size. Oh, is that a bag within a bag? Oh, not opened it, that's fine. Let's find the one, shall we? Oh, there we go. Yeah, so these are the little wallets that I use for putting my ATCs in. The seller had an offer of buy 5 and get one would be free, so you only paid for 4. So yeah, why not, eh? Oh, anyway, the next thing I purchased was a bit of a bundle from Scrimping Mummy. Yeah, lace and pretty things. These are on the shorter side and are going to be ideal for tags and journal making. First time I bought anything like this, and they're really pretty. I'm going to have loads of fun. Oh, look at those flowers. They're gorgeous, aren't they? There's even some sparkly bits. This will have to be sorted, probably, you know, and what have you. But yeah, gorgeous. Love it. Love. Let's put that up there. Next thing I received is from the lovely Gaynor over at Stamp with Joy. She sent me a card, floating by to say hi. Know you love junk journals, steampunk, so I made this for you. Did a video, it comes out 3rd of September. Okay, not sure till after that date. Well, yeah, it's fine. I was away anyway, Gaynor. Thrown in a bit extra in case you want to add more pages. Maybe you could do a video. Well, we'll see, will we? This is the actual journal Gaynor made. Just undo that and just go through it. Gorgeous papers and embellishments. It's not actually, is it? Have you sewn this one, Gaynor, or is it just that piece of elastic? Oh, just under a gander through. Oh, is it hidden? Aha, there we go. Yeah, so quite simply done, which is perfect. You know, this style of journal means, of course, you can slide pages in and out and change it around. So lovely. It's a beautiful journal. Well chuffed with it. Thank you so much, Gaynor, for that. And then I think she went a bit nuts because oh, this as well. So bits of paper. Oh, that's the wood. That's the wood DSP from Stampin' Up. I've run out, so again, very kindly sent me a couple of packs. But then there's lots of stickers, little doilies and bits of paper. Oh, some lovely little things there. Scraps to use and so forth, and beautiful coffee. Yes, I've just sniffed it and it smells like coffee. So coffee soaked paper. So thank you so much for that, Gaynor. I must put different people's things in different bags so I don't get mixed up. I then received something from our Scottish friends, Trisha, or Trisha Smith. Stamped Up Demonstrator. That's from Bird Ballard. And she sent me things for, hope these come in handy for your ATCs. Well, I think they will. Various little stickers and like tickets and things. Oh, it's Tim Holtz letters. Lovely. Making up words. Have a nice trip. Vintage stamps, decorative stickers, and some gorgeous, what's this? 295 stickers. So, wow, lovely. Thank you so much, Tricia. They're gorgeous. And I will definitely be using them in projects. Next thing I received was another one from Gaynor. And she sent me some stamping blends, which is lovely. I don't have very many. So this will do my collection, The World of Good. And we have a dark old olive. I don't have any dark ones yet, so yeah, these are very welcome. Dark smoky slate, light smoky slate, dark mango melody, and light mango melody. I've got a light one of these already, but you know, they always come in. Next thing I received was from Sandra Ronald, and he sent me some more wooden DSP, so that will go on the pile, and two beautiful ATCs. Let me hold these up actually so you can get a good look. I'm trying not to get my huge belly in the way. That one. And then she says this one is for my Elizabeth, so I will pass it on to her when she gets in from work. Beautiful, very, very beautiful, Sandra. Thank you so much. These are really gorgeous. We're almost at the end. My friend bought me a couple of these. Oops. I'll just show you one. Cider. G. Watkins cider. I think it's from around Hereford. He picked me these. He picked me up a couple from Chatsworth Show. He was working there the weekend, so I've got that to drink at some point. And finally, a lovely card. What a dazzling demonstrator! Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is from my upline Helen, and it's another voucher because I've increased my sales again. So great work again. See you soon at Helen. Thank you so much, Helen. So that I'll put that safe with the other one, or the two. I think I've got two more of those lying around somewhere. We'll stick them out. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up, please. Like and share. Ring the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And I'll see you all again soon. Whatever you're doing, have a lovely time. Bye now.